Hi, my name is Iris, and I'm the founder of Kula. I founded the company 3 years ago to bring 3D photography to anyone. We are here on Kickstarter, so you can use your own camera to take 3D pictures. We have developed 2 different devices to take 3D pictures and videos. Kula Deeper is for your SLR, Kula Bebe is for your smartphone. Our image processing software, Kula Code, can transform the images and videos to basically any 3D format available. Now you will be able to use your own camera to take 3D pictures and videos.
Why? That's very impressive.
3D. Dat is goed.
Ah. Hula hoops on the lava.
Ja, super.
Dan alle vet gaan.
We are going to use the funding from Kickstarter for production of Kula Deeper and Kula Bebe. Please let us bring 3D photography to your memories and pledge for a project. Thank you very much.
This is PIVO. In tech speak, it's a smart interactive pod for your smartphone photography. In plain English, it's just an awesome turning awesomeness. It's not going to make your life better, but it is going to let you be insanely creative with your photos and videos. Here's how. PIVO can follow you as you move,
We always start with sanding.
with both front and back cameras. So now your video blogs look pro.
Secret for a perfect cake is all in the ingredients. Oh, I forgot the cream.
It can also follow objects like your moonwalking shoes or your sock puppet Sylvester Stalsock. Adrian! Not the right movie. PIVO partnered with Restream, so whatever you shoot, with PIVO you can go live on over 30 platforms at once, so all your followers can enjoy your sock. PIVO has a lot of quick creation modes. This is Versus mode. Good for rap battles.
My name drops in, you can kiss my feet.
Yo. Whatever.
But also for this.
I'm here with my boo.
Who's that guy?
What guy?
This is Mini-Me. For a shot with mini you. Even a view coming to hug you but being blocked by you while you look at the entire thing laughing. Man, you're a jerk to you. This is a mode called Perfect Panorama. You know, so there's no this. Ouch. This is Double Take. For videos of everyday bummers. Or for when you want to express how you feel about your diet. This is Flash mode. Go long, Sylvester. And this is 50-50, where 50% of the screen is still, 50% video, and 100% nice. And there's also Tiny Planet and Motion Time-Lapse. It's time-lapse, but with motion. Move it, people. And with the PIVO tray, you can use turntable mode for 360 product shots or to lick ice cream evenly. PIVO can work by snapping your fingers, saying cheese, cheese, with a remote, and of course with the app, because it's smart, like you. PIVO is for YouTubers, speakers, comedians, wannabe comedians, content creators, photographers, sock puppets, wannabe sock puppets, and just people. Now it's up to you. Get PIVO. Be creative. Insanely creative.
If you want to deliver great content, you need a great workflow. The problem is that it's always a race against the clock. You plan, and you prepare, you shoot, and shoot, then you wait. And finally, you wait. What if you could regain lost time and start the finishing process the moment you get the last shot? With the new Gnarbox, let your work flow. Gnarbox 2.0 SSD is a rugged backup device for content creators who prefer to travel without a laptop. Unlike other portable hard drives, we have assembled an ecosystem of mobile applications that serve the professional workflow from the field to the studio. New to the Gnarbox experience is an onboard display and 4-button system, giving you the industry's fastest file transfers with custom folder trees and a checksum confirmation, without the need for a computer, phone, or tablet. For more control over your backups, use the new SafeKeep app to view connected drives, organize and rename folders, manage your auto backup settings, and even sync to Dropbox. In the Selects app, photographers have an optimized environment for fast file viewing and culling of thousands of raw photos. A simple set of tools let you rate and organize using EXIF metadata, preparing you for the edit at home in Lightroom. Using the Sequence app, you can now quickly play back high-res video, set edit in and out points, create bins, and even render files into ProRes. Any edit you start in the Sequence app can be exported as an XML project into Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro, bridging your workflow from the field to the studio. To make social content and stories easier when you're on the go, we've partnered with industry leaders LumaFusion and Adobe Lightroom CC to bring top-tier mobile editing experiences to our platform. The new Gnarbox system is supported by an Intel quad-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, up to 1 TB NVMe SSD, an SD card slot, 2 USB-C ports, and a replaceable battery. You'll be able to review 10 hours of 4K video, back up 36,000 photos, or move a terabyte of files on a single charge. Connect the micro HDMI to any monitor or TV and use the Showcase app to play back photos and videos in full resolution.
At Gnarbox, we believe in making the creative process easier for anyone with a camera. Gnarbox 2.0 will save you time and make you a more reliable creator.
With enough support from the community, we aim to begin manufacturing in September and deliver to backers in December of 2018.
Along the way, we've worked with professional photographers and videographers whose feedback helped us reimagine the potential of mobile workflow.
This campaign is our biggest step toward that goal, and we need your help to make it happen.
We've already designed Gnarbox 2.0 SSD, validated our thermal systems, and are ready to meet an IP67 standard.
Please join us in creating the next evolution in mobile workflow.
The greats of photography are back. I'm back.
I work very hard to develop the digital back for the analog cameras 35mm. But I realized that the family is still not complete. The analog cameras have still a lot to deliver. Here we are. I am back for medium format. Enjoy!
Our goal is to unlock the creativity that is in you, to have a lot of fun and to revive the medium format analog photo cameras. Unback MF is a low-cost and multi-brand digital back. All you need is only one device and you can start using again the 6x4.5, 6x6 and 6x7cm analog cameras. With I'm Back, you can take full format digital pictures, make videos and always switch back to analog film photography. The result is something very special. Although it is digital, It keeps the genuine warm and grainy vintage pictures.
I was sitting at home when I received a phone call from Samuel explaining about I'm back. I realized that there are more than 600 million analog photo cameras that were produced since the 1970s, and almost all of them are still sitting in a box or on a shelf taking a lot of dust. This was the point when I realized, together with Samuel, that we need to give a second life to all these analog cameras.
An extremely affordable solution to use your fantastic analog photo camera in a digital way. The greats of photography are back. I'm back.